Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, people, talking about what favorite social media in life, most like, and then on dislike. I myself love so much about social media. First time in life, when I was student at the time, the first time I used Facebook because at the time my friend or my teacher read me or making me about Facebook, and then how do I learning English, and then how do I looking for foreign language or foreign people, and then how do I am to learning many languages. And then now I'm still using Facebook because Facebook very important for me. Example, got a lot of friends in Facebook. Talking about Facebook, Indonesia don't have a lot of friends in Facebook. But I got a lot of friends not only in Indonesia but also Europe, United States, United Kingdom, and Africa. I got a lot of friends there. But of all, Facebook very important for me at a time. Second reason I love social media like Skype. When I was student and 11 at the time until now, I still use Skype. How do I use Skype? Because I can communicate with in front of people. I can practicing with American people. I can practicing with Europe people. Skype, like video call, but Skype is very clearly about the picture, very beautiful picture, and then not speech, and then this is very high quality, I think. That's because Skype when you got the viewer with the speaker, they asking you about Skype. Not only you, where were you? In Aceh, Indonesia, but you're from Turkey, Russia, or Europe, or Catalonia, whatever you want. That is very, like speaking face to face with your friend, I think. And then now you still use, Skype because Skype can communicate or practicing my language, my language skill like Esperanto, Spanish, Arabic, and then English. That is very important for me because that is very, helpful for me. Like, practicing Spanish, practicing Esperanto, practicing speaking like Arabic language, including practicing bahasa Indonesia. But, I couldn't speak bahasa Indonesia well, just because, when I was born, my grandma, my grandpa, then my father, my mother, and they were talking about that. Just because I don't speaking well in bahasa Indonesia, you know what? But maybe someday I'm going to try learning that with Chef Yaman. You know what? With Chef Yaman. Just because I love that. Alright? I spin it up. I think that's all. Thank you.